Namaskaram. Welcome to the Art of Letting Go meditation, a guided meditation for inner release. Find a comfortable seated position. Allow your spine to be gently upright, yet relaxed. Rest your hands on your lap and gently close your eyes. Take a slow, deep breath in through your nose and exhale softly through your nose. Again, inhale deeply and exhale, letting go of any immediate tension from the body. With every inhalation, feel the present moment, and with every exhalation, allow your body to soften. Your shoulders relax, your jaw unclenches, and your forehead is smooth. Bring your awareness to the point where your body meets the earth. Feel the support beneath you. You are held. You are safe in this moment. There is nothing you need to do, nowhere to go, nowhere to come from. Just be here. Begin to observe your natural breathing. No need to change it. Just notice the gentle rise and fall of your belly. Each inhalation brings fresh energy. Each exhalation releases what is no longer needed. If your mind begins to wander, gently guide it back to the breath, not with force, but with awareness, with kindness. The present moment is the only place where life truly exists. Past no longer lives here, and it only visits through memory. And today, you are learning how to release the hold of your past. The past is a collection of experiences, moments that have already completed themselves. Some were joyful, some were painful, some were confusing. But none of them are happening right now. Yet the mind has a habit of carrying old stories, regrets, guilt, resentment, unmet expectations. Understand this gently. Holding on to the past does not protect you. It only keeps you tied to what has already ended. You are not required to live pain to honor your journey. You are allowed to grow beyond it. Now, imagine you are standing beside a slow flowing river. The water represents time, always moving forward, never stuck. Visualize that in your hands you hold stones. Each stone carries a memory from the past, a regret, a hurt, a disappointment, or something unfinished. You do not need to analyze these stones. Simply acknowledge them. One by one, gently place each stone into the river. As the stone touches the water, watch it sink and slowly disappears. With each dropping of the stone, feel the weight leaving your hands. Feel the lightness returning to your body. You are not erasing your past. In fact, you are releasing its emotional grip. Let the river carry what you no longer need. Now, bring awareness to your heart center. Breathe into this space softly. Begin with forgiveness not forced, not rushed. Mentally repeat, I release myself from carrying what no longer serves me. I forgive myself for what I did not know then. I forgive others for acting from their limitations. Forgiveness does not mean approval. It means freedom. You are choosing peace over pain, presence over past. Allow compassion to fill the spaces where hurt once lived. Let us practice few affirmations for letting go. With each breath, gently repeat mentally or loud, the past is complete. I am free in this moment. I choose to live here and now. I release what I cannot change. I welcome peace into my life. Let these words sink beyond the mind. Into the body, into the heart, in every cell of you. Begin to bring awareness back to your breath, to the gentle sensations in your body. Notice how you feel now. Perhaps lighter, more open, more spacious, more in alignment. Carry this sense of release with you. The past no longer defines you. You are free to meet life as it is, fresh, new, and alive in this moment. With this awareness, wiggle your toes, move your fingers, and when you feel ready, slowly open your eyes. This life is a present. Enjoy your gift in the presence. Om Shanti.